Yeah guys, today we'll be talking about Tropical Storm Blanca, which is currently a tropical storm right now. Sorry for the late update, by the way. When it formed, I was in bed. It formed last night, and obviously I wasn't going to do this video today because I've got back to stomach and all that. So yeah, anyway, I'm still posting videos for you guys, no matter what. So, as of 3 AM Mountain Daylight Time, Tuesday the 1st, Advisory 7, maximum sustained winds are 50 knots, which is 16 miles an hour. Minimum central pressure of 998 millibars, located at 14.2 degrees north and 109.6 degrees west, moving northeast at 6 knots and 7 miles an hour. You know in my last update how I said this was, well, it's gone down to 0. It's not going to fall no more. I'll show you the code of uncertainty. This isn't going to be only a quick update. If you like detailed of the breakdowns, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a like. I think it's going to become a hurricane, to be honest. It's missing these islands out completely now. But I think it's going to become a hurricane, to be honest. This is the 3-day cone. This is the full cone. There we are. It's the full cone. So yeah, it's going to be a post-tropical depression by 12 AM Sunday. It's this Sunday coming. It's going to be out there for a good few days, actually. So yeah, I'll show you some satellite imagery and tropical bits, by the way. There you go. Here's blowing up some good convection, at least -7. Towards -70 to 80 degrees. Maybe 90 touching that at least. But it's looking really good. I will show you some actual satellite on on weather nodes. Here's some satellite imagery of Tropical Storm Blanca. And yeah, I am on weather nodes.